On today's body cam, we're checking out police drone ruins suspect's perfect hiding spot.
Stop you for your front tints. They're too dark. Hey, where are you going? Stop! Police!
Ooh, we get a police chase? Okay.
White female, possibly male, red hair.
Somebody go less lethal.
Less lethal.
Are you a male or a female? You have a penis though. Yeah, you're bleeding from your testicles.
On June 4th, 2026, a Warren police officer patrolling near 9 Mile Road and Weller observed a gray Chevrolet Malibu with illegal front window tint and defective license plate lights. After initiating a traffic stop, the vehicle initially pulled over as if the driver intended to cooperate. However, what appeared to be a routine traffic stop quickly took an unexpected turn. Let's take a look at how this incident unfolded.
Hey, phone traffic.
Go ahead.
9 in Hayes with 1 Robert Boy, young 6'3", on a gray Malibu.
Over.
So 182.
Over.
Hey, roll down your windows. Roll down your windows. Roll down your windows. How you doing?
Good here.
Good. I'm stopping you for your front tints. They're too dark. You got no plate light, okay?
Okay.
You have a driver's license? Where are you heading today?
We're on our way back home.
Okay.
I don't know
Of course you don't.
I can get my information.
Okay, whose car is this?
It's my cousin.
You're not. You don't have a driver's license?
I do, but I don't have it on me.
Why not?
No,
What?
I don't have it on me.
Just don't have it? Where do you live at?
Black Township.
You dropping her off? What's your first name?
The driver claims they don't have any identification and verbally identifies themselves as 7 White. We'll soon find out whether either of those statements is true.
Okay, I'll be right with you. Hey, where you going? Stop! Police! Dispatch, my driver's running, taking off southbound on foot.
Unbelievable.
Stop! Police!
See, officers hate to run, man. You gonna make them work today, boy. They gonna get your ass, boy. Whoo!
Don't move! Okay, we're running through fences.
Then he ran with the purse.
Westbound.
That shit is crazy.
I'm behind a garage. I've lost her. White female, possibly male, black, 20 to 30 years of age, red hair, black t-shirt, no shoes.
Did he say white female? Wait, what he said? What description was that?
Okay, we're running through fences. Westbound. I'm behind a garage. I've lost her. White female, possibly male, black.
White female, that's wrong, right? It's a black female. But here's the other part. or the appearance of one, you know, whatever. Right. But then here's the other kicker. He said, possibly male. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Yo. Did you hear the voice, boy? Did you? Well, let me stop before I get canceled, man.
Westbound. I'm behind a garage. I've lost her. White female, possibly male. Black, 20 to 30 years of age. Red hair. Black t-shirt. No shoes. Dropped a purse. I'll be looking for an ID.
The officer loses sight of the suspect and returns to where the suspect discarded a purse to search for some form of identification. Just before the suspect took off on foot, this officer's partner was tied up on another call. Let's take a quick look at that brief interaction before it was interrupted by the foot pursuit.
What's going on, my man?
What's up?
Well, you're parked in a handicapped spot. You don't have a handicap placard.
I'm going to get a room.
Okay, but you don't have a handicap placard.
Oh, no, I'm about to bag up into that spot.
You didn't, though. You got your ID on your boss?
Yeah, what am I? I'm parked. What is the
Yeah, you're parked.
My driver, you want to take it off, southbound on foot.
Have a good day.
Yeah, he knew. Yeah, we got something more important to do. We ain't trying to hear that handicap. Yeah, that's not important right now. But I understand that it is important to some people, right? If you're handicapped, they have that spot there for a reason. You're supposed to have the thing to display it, you know, because people that actually need it, you know, it's if it's being occupied by somebody that don't need it, that's gonna piss me off. You know what I'm saying? But in the big scheme of things, that is less important than what we about to go on, this little hunt that we about to go on. So he caught a break. You said you was gonna back up into that other spot. I advise you back up into that other spot, man.
Where's his location?
While these officers are en route to assist and the original officer looks through the suspect's purse, Warren PD's drone unit, Victor 1, spots the suspect fleeing on foot.
How'd he get the drone up that fast? Oh, there you go.
Black t-shirt.
Make sure he's at 9 A's.
No shoes.
Yep, he is.
Drop the purse. I'll be looking for an ID.
What's the what? Ask her what that
Isn't that
address was.
crazy?
What that street was.
She's on the sidewalk. She's going to be northbound across 9 miles.
Okay. Oh, ask her what street? Northbound.
Approaching for a wood on the north side of 9 miles.
If it wasn't for that drone, they would be out.
Okay, I have a passenger in the car. I'll be detaining him here.
Where's Furwood
Cross
at?
for a wood from 9 miles. Q2732 for a wood in the backyard.
Where's Furwood at? Just zoom in and find it. It should be just north of Hayes, or east of
Okay,
Hayes.
you just climbed into a garbage can. Q2732 for a wood.
What is your
Wow.
address?
732 for one.
Drove right past it.
No, he just passed it. My dust overlay might be off. Back up. Just right on the other side of that brick wall.
Hold on, Chris. Hold on. There's a wall.
Where?
Damn. Caught.
Get out of the car. Come on, let's go. Grab it.
Got you together, boy.
Your hand behind your back. Where?
They don't even need helicopters no more. They got drones, boy.
Lethal. Somebody go less lethal. Somebody go less lethal.
What's lethal?
Get out of the car. Come on, let's go. Grab it.
Put your hand behind your back.
That's where she's in touch.
Boy, you doing crime nowadays, you just gotta be an idiot, man.
Why'd you run?
For real. Too much technology.
If you can't, no, come on, let's go. How do you identify? As a male? Oh, female? What's your given gender?
Spread your feet.
What's your given gender? What's your given gender?
I'm male.
You're a male? Okay.
Okay, I just want to make sure that the proper sexual orientation searches you, okay?
Are you a male or a female? Okay, so you have a penis though. Okay. So we're gonna yeah, nothing crotch? You keep reaching towards it, so
That's because my penis is got my penis.
well that's not our fault.
What the? Oh my god! Oh my goodness, man! That's because my panties got my penis. Oh, come on! This is too much. This is too much.
Searches you, okay?
Are you a male or a female? Okay, so you have a penis though. Okay. So we're gonna yeah, nothing crotch? You keep reaching towards it, so
That's because my penis is got my penis.
well that's not our fault. This good. This side's good.
Yeah, great. You're going to be doing an article search. The card. Yeah, yeah.
Are you wearing a bra?
I didn't realize it either. Asking for how the trail off the station over that.
So next time when someone asks you what your gender is whatever you were given at birth. Good.
Yeah, but in his defense, they asked him, what do you identify as? That's what they asked him in the beginning. And then they switched it to, I'm pretty sure. Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Searches you, okay?
Are you a male or a female? What's your given gender? What's your given gender?
I'm male.
You're a male? If you can. No, come on, let's go. How do you identify? As a male? Oh, female? What's your given gender?
Yeah, so first they asked him, and then, okay. All right, let's go back.
You're bleeding from your testicles. Oh, it's hanging from a little bit. Did you cut your testicles? You're bleeding from your testicles. Yeah, you're bleeding.
That's why you use gloves, you guys.
Huh? Oh my. Yeah. Oh yeah. My balls are hanging.
EMS for location.
Oh my god. That's why I can't breathe. And I feel like I'm about to pass out.
Sit him.
No. That's why I feel like. Over here. Oh god. Alright, just relax and
We're gonna have a seat on the curb, okay?
I can look at you. No, can I please sit up? Yes. No, don't let me sit. So can I sit, lean up or something?
Yeah, go ahead and lean on the curb.
Let's get your real name here. What's your real name?
Darrell McGee.
Jarrell McGee?
Jarrell.
Oh god, I feel so good.
You're good.
It turns out that 7 White was actually Daryl McGee, who eventually provided
Daryl.
officers with the correct identifying information. After Daryl's rather unusual injury, medical personnel were called to the scene for treatment. Before we break down the charges, let's take a look at the passenger's interaction with officers.
Turn around.
Put your hands behind your back.
Well, what did I do?
You're not in trouble. Just cooperate, okay?
Why are you putting the handcuffs on me?
Detained. Come on,
And
guys.
I don't know what's going on. Just step up.
I didn't even do this.
No, you didn't do anything so far.
That's a wall.
I don't have nothing.
Calm down. Just face the car.
I'm okay. It's two vehicles in the driveway.
You have nothing,
Nothing. For the one closest to the brick wall, she identified that.
But, pardon me, I'm a little out of breath because whatever her name really is just took off. I know she's lying to me, or he. I don't know if she's a male or female. Who is that? Yeah, right. I'm sure. I'm not tight. I'm just gonna have a seat in my back. You don't have a valid driver's license.
No, I don't have nothing on me. So the car had to be taken.
Well, you don't have a driver's license, and your driver is driving on a revoked license, which allows us to impound the car per city ordinance. I know that's not what you want, but you have to understand that because she ran or he ran, I'm sorry, I don't know if Daryl is fully transitioned.
Listen. Hey, officer, you trying to get me canceled, man. You gonna have to fix that. You gonna have to fix it. Okay? You gonna have to fix it. You know how it is nowadays, man. You can't touch on topics like this. You better, fix them pronouns, man.
Or not, but Daryl kind of looped you into something that probably could have been avoided, all because of warrants. It's kind of stupid. So be honest with me, since you're not going to jail. When I came back to the car, what did you guys talk about? Was she just gonna run, or she just took off? All right.
Daryl's passenger was released at the scene without incident. However, due to Daryl's actions, the passenger's vehicle was impounded. Daryl was transported to a nearby hospital for medical treatment but remained in police custody. Warren Police assigned multiple officers, rotating in shifts, to remain with Daryl until treatment was complete. Once medically cleared, Daryl was transported to the Warren Police Department and charged with resisting and obstructing police, operating while license suspended, and providing false information to police. Daryl also received citations for defective equipment and illegal window tint before being lodged at the Macomb County Jail. Judge James set bond at $4,000 or 10%, meaning Daryl could have been released after posting just $400. However, as of this video, Daryl remains in custody due to 6 neighboring police agencies placing holds for outstanding warrants. Those warrants from other jurisdictions include multiple fleeing and eluding cases with combined bonds totaling more than $130,000. Daryl is scheduled to appear in court on July 14th, 2026. Thanks for...
Clearly, fleeing isn't in your expertise, okay? You get caught almost every time, man.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a